on, guys? Red Eye TV here. Today we're going down to the store. We're gonna go to the grill and we're gonna walk around. Hope you guys enjoyed the last vlog. Most of my stuff got corrupted, so yeah.
Kind of turned into a montage. I
Yeah.
was red winter bites.
Yeah, he was the guy wearing the Seinfeld shirt.
Yes, sir.
Well, anyways, see you guys when we get to the store. Different hat gang. Gang.
What's up, dog?
We're coming up on the store right now. That store right in front of us.
Imagine
This
being
kid.
short.
Imagine, yeah.
Bro, the
imagine
camera's
being
literally
short.
like looking up.
No. There you go. Imagine being short.
Imagine.
Imagine.
Nice.
We're getting Corey's food. Just kidding. He's getting another burger. Food. Cappuccino. Food. Number 3. Selfie stick so he can record easier because he's making a vlog at Cry Fighter. I'm gonna eat this griddle. We're heading over to the grill right over there. Pretty lit. We're gonna get a couple burgers and some fries, and then we'll get back to you. I don't know if we're allowed to record in there, so we'll just update you guys. What's going on, guys? Getting some food. Ordering a meal. Bam, hamburger. No, well, how much did it come up to last time? I think it came up to like. I'm gonna get a 3rd pound cheeseburger. I don't want to spend racks. What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at?
I can't recall you so much better than yours.
Shut up. It's just the lighting, it sucks. I can change the lighting. Ooh. He keeps calling, bro. He keeps calling. Bro, this guy is so dumb.
Whose man's is this?
Do it again. Do it again. Food. Got our food dog. Bam. Boom. A kid is still calling it. Alright, guys, we just got done eating. I'm not sure what we're gonna do now. We're gonna try to meet up with Darren. I don't know where he's at though. So we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, we've got some cinematic shots, I guess, and we'll go from there. What's going on, guys? Still waiting for Darren to show up. I don't think he's gonna show up.
He might not.
I'm just chilling here.
I asked him if he's in Lewis, and he said I am, and then he said I'm leaving from Weird. That's about it.
And that was like an hour ago.
What?
In the meantime, we saw a guy, I think,
59 minutes ago.
Yeah, I think we saw a guy stole a car. Not 100% sure. He said, he's just stole this. It was so fun, and then he pulls off. Don't deport us. It's so fun.
And then pulls off out of here on a 35-mile road, right? Going like 70.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I'm not sure what to do. As there's a god. There's a god right there. Get it? Come on back. Oh, truck. Can't get the, oh, it's rain. I have a wild Isaac coming back.
He's on X Games mode.
And then you're like black. So let me just up the brightness real quick.
Sup, dog?
Up the oh god, it's white. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Friend Darren never showed up. That's cool. I already told you about the story about stealing the car. Pretty messed up. I thought it was funny though.
Why are you trying to fuck a tree, Angel? Record me. Jack's on me, Jack's on 3. 1, 2, 3. Usually the count, but
recording.
ow. Oh, there's like glass or something there.
Another vlog will be out tomorrow, for surely. I'm gonna edit this one and upload it tonight. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take me. Probably like 2 hours. No, maybe like an hour or 2. I don't know. It takes me a while to edit these vlogs because then I gotta add background music. Then I gotta add my little logo in the bottom right corner. And then I gotta add transitions and intros and filters and effects, all that stuff. Got a few cinematic shots, so that's good. And yeah, see you guys later.
I'm gonna get some cinematic shots of the sunset.
Deuces.
This dude leaves.